Granite 4x4. Oh. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Today we're going to go for a little run with the Granite 4x4. Changes include the new servo, the Amazon $20 DS3218, as well as went up to a 17-tooth pinion. We are currently on 3S LiPo. But yeah, servo speed is much improved, much more powerful. Let's see how she goes. Man, it's fast. Whoa. Oh, look at it go. Granite 4x4. Oh. Oh, something broke. So either I stripped the gear or something moved. I think I forgot to tighten up my pinion. Ah, well, gotta take it apart again. All right, well that was short-lived, 1 minute and 43 seconds. I'll go back on the bench and we'll see what happened. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're out here with the Granite 4x4 on a 17-tooth pinion 3S at the nature park. Friggin' awesome. It just rips. Fully open diff so. Highly recommend getting a Granite 4x4. They are fantastic. This one's the Mega, the brushed version that I upgraded. But if you buy the Beetle X, you have this kind of performance out of the box. On 3S. And with these tires is a surprisingly capable crawler, actually, with open diffs. It's all about the tires. It's a nice contact patch. It's a really nice tread, actually, on that one. Just a little dot. Wait, the dot's getting bigger. Grab the control. Yeah. Fast guys are gonna wait till they get halfway through, and then we gotta try and pass them. Oh, I was gonna try and weave around you. I wouldn't smash into you full speed on purpose. Actually off. So either my pinion flew off again, but I did Loctite it this time, did I? I don't know, I can't remember. But that's what happened last time. The pinion came off. Now it sounds like it might have happened again. Anyway, got you a couple clips of this, hopefully enough for a little video. If you like this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. We've got one left. Let's get the UDR out.